a user manual has been given to you which is still under development. It is not fully developed. First of all, when you double click on the app in the desktop, the splash screen is displayed that runs for a few seconds, and it gives you a login which you must log in using the password that was issued to you. So after the first login, you need to change your password. I'm going to log in now. Always use the tab in the keyboard to move from one space to another without needing to use the mouse always. Okay, so I just type this, and as soon as I finish typing, I press tab. Tab is on the upper left of the keyboard, and it takes me to the password. So I type the password and press tab again, and it takes me to login, and I press enter. I have not touched my mouse. I pressed enter, and then it takes me to the main screen. You can maximize it if you want, you can minimize it if you don't want it to be too big. So the first thing you do is, if you have done this before, you don't need to do it again. But if you have not done it before, you need to change your password, because that password which the installer gave to you, if I installed, I gave you that password, is what I have on my book. Now you need to change it to a password that I don't have on my book, that I don't know. So you will come here and click change password. Now for somebody to be able to change a password, the person must enter the system again, or must enter the password change menu using his own password, so that we know that it is not a fraud. For instance, you may have logged into this system and then you just went out to attend to a message. Before you come back, somebody may change your password and you can't even log in again. You have been logged out. You don't know the person. So that's why whenever you want to change password, it must ask you for your current username and password. If you have forgotten it, send me a message. I still have the list. Okay, but the one you have already changed, I cannot know it. So I use my username. So this is where you create a full identity. So I type my surname, and then I type my other names, and then I type my email, and then I type my phone number, and then I type my new username which I want to change to. Please endeavor to change both the username and the password I gave to you. Don't use them, change them. Then you type in your new password, and it doesn't end there. You must confirm by repeating the password again. You must type it again to be sure. After you finish typing, you must click edit and confirm update. OK. When you see the message record updated OK, you click OK. Close the change password window, close the main application, and log in again with the new password that you have just changed to be sure that it has been changed. So I enter my new username which I just changed now, and I enter my new password. Press tab, press enter. So here we are.